हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th के मैथमेटिक्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ चैप्टर 1 एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन दिस सीरीज इज प्रूव दैट रूट 3 इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव रूट 3 as an irrational number. So we know that what is rational number and what is real number. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, and the irrational number are those numbers which can not be represented in the form of p by q. So we have to prove root 3 is an irrational number. To prove this, we have to contradict our statement in which we assume that root 3 is a rational number, then we prove our assumption is wrong. So root 3 is an irrational number. So for the solution is, or this solution is, assume that root 3 is a rational number. So we will take root 3 is equal to a by b, rational number in the form of p by q, where a and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. So next step is we will do squaring both sides. When we square both sides, root 3 is 3, a square by b square. The next step is b square is equal to a square by 3, which means a square is divisible by 3. So a is also divisible by 3. So a is multiple of 3. That means a is equal to 3c. Let a is equal to 3c because a is a multiple of 3. Now put a is equal to 3c in our equation first, which is equation 1 is this. Now b square is equal to 3c whole square by me 3. That means b square is equal to 9c square by me 3. 3 3 is a 9. B square is equal to 3c square. B square is equal to 3c square. Now c square is equal to b square by 3. Here b square is divisible by 3. By 3. So b is also divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. By divisibility theorem. Now b is a multiple of 3. A is a multiple of 3. B is a multiple of 3. That means a and b has a common factor which is 3. So we assume that a and b are co-primes. A and b are co-primes. That means they have only one as their common factor. So this contradicts our statement that a and b are co-primes. That means this contradiction arises due to a wrong assumption. So root 3 is an irrational number.